per a name no kase no Joseph Esso and a player a friend no Kamara Gyamfi omo deal to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no had hit the snag officially off we are and at the final sea labor said players the me omo Kotoko move officially over one said player ba ku ano baby any goal stars weekend on terminating the contract with baby any goal star. The anticipation was that obviously in the contract no we this particular man car and I can join the club here. But hey, and Kumudina some of the media stations airport to say player na choose Adriana ahead of Kotoko, but Entisa a taste no and assassin. Asante Kotoko see say Kamara Gyamfi profile no does not suit our current plans and aspirations and omo priorities. Do you understand? So no Kamara Gyamfi no decide say Sasana be there or find fortunes with Adriana Football Club, and no is almost done the pending medicals. Now back to Joseph Esso. Na minu abaku ebusa Missisia on the international WhatsApp platform Asante Kotoko reaction. No say Joseph Esso de no. Akusi say Joseph Esso who say on da no. And na wie ya na Dreams FC so e dey betum say Joseph Esso omune na wie na okọ Malaysia. Inti Mamem Potoma real quick. Dreams FC. Wait 2 minutes ago, as you can see on the screen, and posting this particular flyer, as you can see on the screen. Was wishing the very best to Joseph Esso as he joins Negeri Sembilan FC in Malaysia. Thank you for everything. And hashtag still believe. Thank you for everything. Still believe. Dreams FC 15. So Omajana Quine Sike Umri Oman family to so and Untina no pano. Omega the story I say Kotokone Morfen Donzo no eminent because strikers are not probably a panel. Not this particular player, Joseph Esso was part of the radar. Nah, Krumano, a yet Joseph Esso, I number a yepa because a go Kobaya, there are going to be people who are going to say that coach, no, and I'm so why I do more Dreams FC Dano and I offer Dreams FC players, So far, Koroko signing 8 players which are confirmed. Names are by head, but but 8 and Abba. The latest addition, a double Hilaria of summer test. Previously, now our RTU. Yes. Now, and when I made the 8th signing, we are told to believe, say, the 9th is going to be Morfen, Donzo, and probably another foreign striker. And there is another player, your friend Inusa Adams. Onona Enrechi, ye can on Inusa Adams, former Kotoko Royals, Wasako Bobo Abu Chilpe. Also is likely to be part of players 2 or 3 as they say Aka or maybe so 30 no. To say official confirmation numbers by Asante Kotoko 8. Some more refined Donzo number so 9. Inusa Adams ever so 10. And now Joseph, and I say no, Joseph they already were in. Joseph from Legon Cities here in. Philip Amon from New Edubia say ever so 11. Let us say yes sign baby. You need to say you know a kako say 11 new players. 11 new players. Well, it is not going to change the core of the team. let's state it. The core of the team, starting 11 in the and now the sad news which struck us so far as a year is concerned is Joseph Ablo is going out on the sideline for at least 3 months. So Zakaria Hussein we hope say things are going to be balanced and players no any kind of mobile level a cut 12 and net say a wholesale signing to be real honest. The argument or the school of thought by certain individuals, especially the senior man who be a more international reaction, also Jimmy say, hey, Massa, Yakoba Africa, Yakobo MTN Cup, Yakobo Premier League, Yabasabu Cup games be brave. Inti yen sign na squad no enye more, but squad no a brutete a broso to the wrong hands. Yenka no crenchre unia. Can create na who can create unia and say with the anticipation of 3 players left to confirm, no, it is going to be 11 players and 11 players for a new season. I think they too much. Mia Bruchiri Chelsea and I place Timmy Dawes so but you're crying this season. Me also say assign 11 players. So the metro no. Bruchiri Chelsea say we are seeing na omo nim ball but we den a World Club World Cup na ye bono. Club World Cup. You can say club World Cup. Chelsea for no energy. In the next 4 years they omo na the world champions in terms of club football. Champions League amount for the Casano a European competition. Europe nkwane bono but at the end Chelsea for no koje no. Chelsea for no omo call face teams free Asia, teams free Europe, teams free America, teams free Africa. Hey, master, Chelsea for no the job into omo bragi. They are currently the best team in the world. No cap about this. And omo player be abo friend no ko Palmer no boy no nim bobo and me hope say Kotoko player be I sign no the ball no ebe se ko Palmer na Kotoko enyam kunimde ewo afi Ghana Premier League and the Champions League so officially on this news Joseph Esso to Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Kamara Gyamfi to Kumasi Asante Kotoko, they are all off. Transfer market in the Sunday. Obviously, play way by player by last minute. Na assessor. Reports ne shall say a report. Sa a twist here was here the Munchi Moon by high and tears. If he Dino Ayan Nazar Hamza with me after me a blog man. Maybe my do man. We don't see a Charlie. We long time.